Hi, it's Brian Newman with the 101 Referral Network, and we're featuring our Spotlighted Business Owner Show today. And we've got Stephanie Crowley with Stephanie's Here. Hi, Stephanie. How are you?
Hello, Brian.
Yeah, it's so good to see you. So, can you let people know who you are, what you do, and how can they get in touch with you?
Of course. I am Stephanie of Stephanie's Here. I am your on call executive administrator. What that means is you've got an administrative issue, something that needs taking care of that gets in the way of your being able to do what you do. I come in and take care of it. It can be anything from getting your filing done to cleaning up your office to discussing your workflow, putting things into QuickBooks or other programs, or any other thing that gets in the way of doing what you need to be doing, which is out seeing clients and getting new business. You can
Yeah,
call me at
you.
six.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I was going to say, you can call me at 602-558-0202, or you can see me at any of the 101 meetings, which is the best referral group in the Valley.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, she does it all. I mean, if you need help organizing things at home, doing bookkeeping or accounting, paying bills, getting your tax records together. If you have employee issues, I think you even get involved, like helping with just a miscellaneous, variety of things. So let me stop this one.